Welcome to the deep dive. So you've probably seen the ads popping up everywhere for the PenGPT AI writing
Oh
device.
yeah, they're all over.
Right, from sites like pengpt2.store, and
Mhm.
it's marketed as this single gadget that does everything.
Everything.
It's got instant text scanning, real-time translation, even AI brainstorming, plus a high-res touchscreen, all in a pen, and of course at a suspiciously low price.
I mean, the claims themselves they're revolutionary.
Yeah,
Almost unbelievable, frankly.
right.
We're talking about integrating modern, complex AI chat with optical recognition and solid hardware. That kind of thing is usually reserved for massive tech firms.
For Google or Apple.
Exactly. After years and years of development. So that level of ambition combined with that price tag, it immediately signals that we need to be extremely cautious here.
So, if the tech claims themselves are already raising skepticism, we decided our first step should be to dig into the vendor. What did our credibility checks find?
Well, the first thing we did was run the site through some broad-spectrum risk analyzers. Scam Advisor, for instance, which tracks all these common fraud indicators, it came back with a very low trust score.
How low are we talking?
They flagged the entire website as suspicious. And not just as a guess, it was because of concrete issues. Limited transparency, no verifiable company details, and this is the critical part, an extremely new domain.
Wait a second, couldn't a legitimate startup, a fast-moving one, register a new domain? Is a new domain automatically proof that something's wrong?
That's a fair question, but it's when you connect the dots that the time frame becomes, well, alarming. We use more specialized tools, and the data, including from Hero Void, showed that pengpt2.store was registered just 9 days ago.
9 days, wow.
And many of these high-risk fly-by-night operations, they're designed to maximize sales very quickly and then just disappear within a few months, usually.
Making it almost impossible for consumers to get their money back.
Exactly.
And the marketing tactics on the site seem to line up perfectly with that strategy. The sources point out all the classic signatures of high-risk e-commerce.
Oh.
You've got the constant countdown timers, huge limited-time discounts, and that aggressive official store-only language. It's all designed to get you to bypass critical thinking and just click buy.
Precisely. They're focused on maximizing sales volume before the domain just, folds. And that sense of urgency is then compounded by the second massive red flag,
Which is,
complete vacuum of independent verification.
despite all the money they're clearly spending on marketing, there's just zero third-party proof. We looked, and our sources confirm it. No independent reviews from any reputable tech reviewers.
Not a single one.
Nothing from established media that confirms this device actually does what it says it does.
And what's really fascinating here is the total absence of consumer discussion. I mean, if this product actually delivered on its promises, platforms like Reddit or TrustPalpot would be on fire with chatter about it.
But there's nothing.
Crickets. So the consumer's being asked to rely entirely on the vendor's own unsupported claims. And that lack of third-party testing just reinforces the extremely high-risk assessment.
So here's the key takeaway for you. While the idea of a powerful AI pen isn't necessarily bad, the way this particular PenGPT device is being sold is, well, it's very high risk.
It's driven by that very low trust score, the site's age, and the completely unsupported performance claims.
So what can you do?
If you are still considering this, or really any unverified online purchase, you have to take one essential safety step.
And that is?
Use a secure, traceable payment method.
You mean like a credit card or PayPal?
Yes, specifically because you have that crucial mechanism to dispute the purchase. You can potentially recover your funds if the product never shows up, or...
Or if it turns out to be, a cheap piece of plastic that doesn't do any of the AI stuff it advertised.
Absolutely. That dispute mechanism is your final line of defense.
Which leaves us with a final provocative thought for you. With AI moving so incredibly fast, when do ambitious tech claims cross that line from genuine innovation into pure fantasy? And how is the everyday consumer supposed to tell the difference when real, independent information is this scarce? Think about that the next time a miracle gadget pops up in your feed.